Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. If you're a new subscriber, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today is Thursday guys. Today is the top band tutorial, the gele tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys is a wedding guest gele tutorial suitable for wedding guests. You can tie it on a bride, you can tie it on yourself and all that. Yeah, so it's a 50-50 part gele. I'm going to be placing the asooke on her forehead, starting like this, and then using my index finger, not my index finger, using my thumb. Yeah, I think the second one is your index finger, right? Yeah, using my thumb and my index finger, I'm going to be folding that, like making sure I make the pleats. When you pleat like this, you get the pleats equally, but when you tend to pack the pleat with your whole fingers, the pleats will never be equal. So you should practice on using only 2 fingers to do the pleat. So after pleating the gele on her head, I'm going to be arranging them side by side and asking her to hold that down tightly. You want to make sure the gele is well arranged, well set on her head before you move on to tie it at the back. If you're tying it or rolling it or whatever you're doing, you make sure your gele is secured guys. So guys, welcome back to Thursday. Do you have any gist for me? If you do, please mention down there on the comment section. And if you have any suggestion on anything you want me to do, any video you want me to shoot, just send in a suggestion and I'll do that, inshallah. So moving on, I folded the asooke at the back, just passed one to the opposite side, and then yeah, I'm going to be bringing off the one hand like this and then twisting and place it on her head, place it on top of the head, and then use a pin to secure that. You want to make sure you learn how to pin down your gele. If you don't know how to pin down your gele, sometimes you don't even need to knot your gele. For this style, we don't knot the gele, we'll just use pin to secure it, and then boom, this gele will sit throughout the day until she finishes dancing. As far as you know how to put on, like how to hold in your pin, I'm going to be making a video on how to hold in your pin very soon. I've been saying I'll do that, but I don't think I have a chance to do that. But maybe on my Instagram stories, I'm going to be doing a series of corrections there. I've been thinking towards that too, but let's see how it goes. So I'm going to be pleating the asooke like this, making sure I pleat the other side. The other side was okay, the first one I moved to the top was twisted, while this one is going to be pleated. You guys should see what happens next. After pleating, I'm going to be twisting the mouth, like the edges of the asooke, and then pinning it down using a pin, an office pin, to secure that. So I hope you guys are understanding what I am doing. Hope you guys are getting what I am doing. If you don't, send in your comments under the comment section, your questions under the comment section, and I'm going to be answering that, inshallah. So let's see how this goes. After I'm done, I'm going to be twisting the remnants of the gele and then using a pin to secure that. Can you see this? Yeah, it doesn't really look cute, but I know if I'm tying it on a guest, I'm going to take my time. I was actually in a hurry when I was doing the gele. When we were doing the makeup, we were in a calm state. And if you want to watch how we created her makeup look, I'm going to be leaving a link down below. And then boom, this is it guys. The gele is all secured. Can you see how I am using my office pin? You guys, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. You should follow me on Instagram. I'll be showing you how to do that soon on my Instagram stories. So I want to be very active on Instagram these days. So if you guys enjoyed this turban tutorial, I'm going to be asking her to turn around so that you guys will see how we tied the back of the gele and also the side of the gele. It doesn't look too perfect, but when next you're tying your own, or if I'm tying another one, I know I'm going to make it perfect. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also don't forget to send in your suggestions and corrections through the comment section. I love you guys so much. This is Hadidi Makeovers once again. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.